Hey, how's it going guys? Stefan is here. So in today's video, I'll show you how to connect a USB microphone to PlayStation 5. So yeah, this is gonna be fun. Make sure to subscribe, like, share, leave a comment. So if you have a USB microphone and if you wonder how to connect it to your PlayStation 5, this is the video to watch. So without further, let's start now. The first thing that you have to do is to connect your USB microphone to the PlayStation, and then we have to go to settings, and from settings we need to go to sound, and from sound we need to go to input device. And as you can see, USB headset, USB dynamic microphone is connected to my PlayStation. We're going to select that. And as you can see, now the microphone is showing. Now, the next thing that we have to do is we need to go to audio output. The second thing that we have to do is output device. You have to choose USB headset or your USB microphone. In that case, we need to select that. And the third thing that we have to do is as you can see here, we have switch output device automatically. This option needs to be off. As you can see, this is off. If it's on, when you turn your PlayStation 5, automatically the PlayStation will choose basically different device. So this needs to be off. And this is how to connect your USB microphone to a PlayStation 5. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comments down below. I'll see you in the next video.